If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you restore your game progress and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch 2 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Game Launcher Battle, Net or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the cloud save issue. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary data that might be causing the error. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2026 and get back to enjoying Overwatch 2. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.